Hey, Rob Marino here with Sentry Equipment.
And Angelo.
Okay, and today we're going to talk about creating flavor injected cones. So at Sentry, we're always looking at some trends and what's neat and what's different. We visit hundreds of ice cream stores. All we do is eat ice cream. It's why we look the way we do. But what can you do to kind of supercharge your menu? So I was visiting a store and saw flavor injected cone. What the heck's a flavor injected cone? Well, essentially, I'll have Angelo make a cone here. What we're going to do is we're going to put like a hole in the cone using this metal tube. All right, now we sanitize this, it's clean. So we make our ice cream cone, right? We're going to get our tube, we're going to insert it down to the bottom, and I'm kind of going to twist it on the way out so the hole stays open. Okay, and now you can see, what do we have here? We have a nice hole. And we can get, let's say we're going to get a little caramel syrup. So we're going to fill our hole with caramel syrup. And you can kind of see that we have a flavor injected with caramel. So as the customer's eating the product, they're getting caramel syrup throughout. It's kind of an awesome experience. I've even done it where I have two holes in there, and one may be caramel, one may be strawberry. And then if they're getting it in a cup, we can actually inject it and then put some caramel on top. So I'm going to put this down for a second. What can flavor injected cones do for you? Well, is it going to turn your store? Is it going to create another $100,000 in business for your store? Probably not. What it does is it gives you something Instagrammable, Facebookable, shareable. Yeah, it creates buzz for your store. When people are eating this, yes, it's different and it's a cool experience, but most importantly, your customer base is going to be talking about something that you're doing, and it takes a couple seconds to do. And in the ice cream business, there's not one big thing we can do to kind of just create these sales. There's a collection of little things that we can do, all right? They try to flavor injected cone, they share it, everybody sees it, a couple other people come, and now what have you done? You've created customers. And if you're doing everything else right with your store, they're going to be lifelong customers. So we talked about flavor injection in the cones. You guys seen that awesome with the waffle cone. We're going to make a cup, and I'm going to show you some flavor injected in the cup too. Thing I like about the cup, and you can do it with the waffle cone, you could add some syrup on top, but the cup's a little bit easier. So we'll get our high tech, this is high tech right here, flavor injected mechanism. I'm going to actually put two holes in this one. Yep, Anne's going to open up the peanut butter for me. I'm going to start with a little chocolate syrup. And then a little peanut butter syrup. All right, and now I'm going to put some peanut butter and chocolate across. So not only do we have an awesome kind of peanut butter chocolate sundae, but we have flavor injected in it. So as they eat it, it's going to give a much better experience, and I'll kind of show you what I mean. So if I take a cross section of that, look at that. How awesome is that? Oh my God. Cut so I could eat this. So as you know, us at Sentry, we're always looking for kind of innovative ways to supercharge your menu. I believe, and we believe in kind of the strength of the menu and the strength of creating visual things, Instagram-friendly products that can help drive buzz, which drives sales. Try flavor injected cups, try flavor injected cones. You need help? We're always here. Give us a call. Thanks so much.